everyone, it's Taylor. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So it is the beginning of a new month, which means it's the perfect time to make improvements if you're not feeling fully satisfied with where you are right now. I personally want to work harder at my fitness goals, so I've been trying to eat healthier and work out more consistently. You can only see results if you stay consistent, so I really hope this video can motivate you guys to stay consistent with your own goals as well. And with that said, let's have a great day. I just made some pretty water. It's just fruit infused water, but it makes your water taste really good. And my favorite YouTuber, Sam Oscarell, she calls it pretty water, so I started calling it that. And it's just like a cuter way to say it, so I love it. Okay, wait, cucumbers aren't actually a fruit, so I guess in this case it's just like flavored water, but it's really good. I really like this combination. So I'm just drinking this to stay nice and hydrated. Alright, it is time for the workout of the day. I am pretty hungry right now. I didn't have any breakfast, so I was gonna make lunch first, but I feel like I'm just gonna feel too full to even do my workout if I eat first. So we're just gonna tackle this and then we will make some lunch. So it'll be like our little reward, I guess. I actually just started doing a 30-day squat challenge yesterday, so this is day 2. I'm really excited about it. I just thought it would be a fun way to stay consistent with my booty workouts since I've kind of been struggling with that. And funny enough, when I first started getting into fitness, like I was already doing sports growing up, but like getting into my more workout journey, I actually started off with doing a squat challenge. I had seen a squat challenge trending, I think on Instagram or Pinterest, I don't remember, but that's what got me into working out because I thought it would be fun to do. Then I just started seeing really good results from it, so then I was really motivated to like keep up with it. So I thought we would throw it back and try it out again, so let's get it. I've also been doing this Chloe Ting ab workout every day. It's her intense lower abs workout.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt, scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
I'm drinking one of these right now, and I also have my pretty water. We're gonna make some lunch. I think I'm gonna do a chicken salad with just a bunch of veggies on it, and I'm gonna do a little fruit bowl with it too, so just some cherries and some strawberries. Also, I just started watching the show Keep Breathing on Netflix. Pretty good so far. This girl got in a plane crash and now she's stranded on this island, so it's pretty interesting. I'm trying to eat as much fresh ingredients as I can because I'm actually leaving for a road trip in a few days to help Arie's parents move to Florida. They helped us move to Arizona and move back to Minnesota, so we kind of owe them big time. So it's okay, we'll get through it, and it should be fun, honestly. Like, I love road trips, so I'm kind of excited. Though lucky for me, my parents, my brother, my grandma, and all of my cousins live in Florida, so I'm gonna stop and see them, so that'll be super nice. just made some dinner. I was going for this sandwich right here, but I made it on a bagel and I added tomato to it. It's got some avocado, cucumbers, some goat cheese, and then I added some herbs to it. Then I did some arugula, tomatoes, lemon juice, and some salt and pepper. It honestly looks so good. I can't wait to eat this. And I still got my pretty water. I'm also watching an episode of Keep Breathing. That recipe was not my favorite. I guess you win some, you lose some. I feel like I should have used bread for that instead of a bagel because it was just missing a crunch factor. And I feel like I could have used something else, like maybe some bacon or turkey would have made it better. But anyway, I'm gonna read a little bit of my book. It's actually really good so far, so I want to get further into it. Definitely gonna bring this on my road trip and we'll see if I can finish it maybe. So yeah, I'm gonna go read my book, then get ready for bed, and Arie and I are actually gonna finish up this movie that we started. It's called it's like a 7 Deadly Sins or something like that. It's like one of the top 10 best thriller movies. Morgan Freeman and Brad Pitt are the main characters, so yeah, it's actually really good. It's a pretty old movie, but I really like it so far, so I really want to finish it. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!